everyone, and welcome back to my channel. My name is Morgan and I'm obsessed with all things beauty and skincare related. And in today's video, I'm going to be doing a follow-up video to my first impression of the Anti-Aging Night Cream by La Prairie right here. You guys, I have been using this for over a month now, and I wanted to give you guys an update on like what I think of this product, if I love it, like what the real tea is. You guys, I'm just gonna pop it open for you. I mean, I've been really digging into this product almost every night. So let's just spill the tea. If you're new here, I'm Morgan. I talk about all things luxury beauty, specifically luxury skincare, and I review these products to let you guys know the truth on whether or not they are worth their price point. If you're curious about this plant behind me, I'm trying to revive it. So if you have any plant advice on how to revive this peace lily, please let me know in the comments below. So you guys, let me just say this. You guys have also been asking me so many questions on whether or not if I think this product is worth its $255 price point. So I'm gonna spill the tea today. This product is considered affordable in the La Prairie lines. You get 1.7 fluid ounces, which I think is pretty standard for luxury moisturizers. I think 1.7 fluid ounces is actually quite a bit for a product like this. Now, La Prairie is like known to be like $700, $500. I've seen almost $1,000 or $1,000 jars of cream, and it just goes on, and things are very expensive in the La Prairie realm. Now, this product though is kind of affordable. When I uploaded my last video of my first impression and like unboxing of this product, because it is my first La Prairie product that I purchased full price, full size, and somebody did mention, and I want to touch on this just a little bit. They stated that they're going to get rid of this cream and whatever else comes in this line in the La Prairie brand. Now, I also had a problem with the scooper, and I talked about it, like what it comes with. I don't have it anymore. It was honestly so flimsy. I think I just threw it away. And I think this is from, I forget what this is from, but I've been using this. And they did state that, I don't know if it's true or not, because this is still available on the La Prairie website. It's still available at Neiman Marcus, Bloomingdale's, also Nordstrom. So I'm not sure when they're gonna eliminate this line, but they did state that they're trying to eliminate this. That's why the scooper and everything that you get with it is so flimsy. They wanna do away with it because they want to attract a certain clientele. And from what I understand, the person said, I think they said that they were like a La Prairie expert, that they just want to attract a higher, more luxe clientele, that this is too accessible maybe. I think that's what I was understanding from what they were trying to say. So if you rewatch this video, please clarify below. But I think my issue is, I don't like that they're trying to target a specific clientele by price. I think what I personally like about skincare products is whether they work or not. I want to pay for the effectiveness of the product, the quality of the product, the way it's able to transform my skin. That's what I'm paying for. I'm not paying for, me personally, I'm not paying for clout. I'm not paying for just to be like that specific step above clientele that's able to afford La Prairie. That's not why I buy these products. I don't buy these products for their names. I buy them because I genuinely think they work. So if that's true, that La Prairie is trying to get rid of their more affordable line to attract I'm just gonna say it, wealthier clientele, I don't think I like that. That's not what skincare is all about. In my world, it's about whether it works and, of course, the experience, not by ranking in society. I don't know, that really rubbed me the wrong way. But if you appreciate that and you want that exclusivity, then like go for it. But I'd rather exclusivity and how good your products are, that you're just a step above. No matter the price, it's just your products are so unmatchable that that's how you're exclusive, not by just price. That's like, I don't know, I don't like that. Anyway, let's keep it moving. So this luckily is still available. It's still $255. That is obviously luxurious and expensive. So I've been using this and I just want to let you guys know, I actually really, really like this product. And I really, really am impressed with the La Prairie brand, the products that I've been trying so far. far, they did give me their cleanser. I actually got 2 of these. They're luxury samples of their Skin Caviar Essence and Lotion. I've been using this almost every night. I'm actually almost empty on this. I have another one I'm gonna go through. Like, I've been loving all the La Prairie products that have been sent to me. This is no exception. So I'm gonna just pop it open. First of all, the packaging is like chromed out. It's heavy. It's definitely like, it feels luxe. Like, this is a nice vanity topper, if nothing else. And I'm very impressed by the way this looks. Again, as I said, the scooper that it comes with is trash. Like, not gonna lie. I just, like, La Prairie, come on. I know you're trying to get rid of the line, but like, come on. So I'm gonna open it up, and of course, inside the packaging is this gorgeous, like, pink, it's tan, or like, I can't even tell you what color this is. It's like an ivory. We'll call it an ivory. I'm actually almost done, and I'm kind of sad because I've been using this like every single night. So I'm gonna apply it for today, and we're gonna talk about it. So I usually go in with a scooper like this, and I just take about this much out. Sometimes I actually take more if I want to bring it all down my neck. And the texture of this product is very light and soft. So I just rubbed it into the back of my hand. It sinks into your skin really, really nice. It doesn't sit on top of your skin like a heavy moisturizer. This really disperses super, it's thin, but it's like not greasy either. It just has that like almost grease-like texture, but it's not grease, if that makes sense. Like, upon application, this really just like disperses through your skin like very, very like effortlessly. And you don't feel like it's too much moisture, because there's a lot of creams that have almost like wax-like textures that it is meant to be thick on top of your skin to lock in that moisture, which I understand, but this is like the type of cream that really just sinks into your skin on application, and I personally really like it, specifically for a night cream, because night creams are obviously like, you're gonna be sleeping with these products. So, and a lot of it is gonna get on your pillow, right? So I almost would rather a moisturizer with this texture, because I don't want it sitting on top of my skin and then rubbing all over my pillow. I'd rather it sink into my skin and be somewhat thin. Although quite thin on your skin, when you wake up, you definitely have that moisture. It does its job. Night after night and day after day, I did notice an improvement of my skin all around the board, between nourishment, between moisture, between softness. This cream makes your face super, super soft, and I really, really like that. This is considered a night cream, but I think you can get away with it in the day, because I did read in one of the comments on this product, because I always read reviews on them and stuff, somebody did state that they use this as a night and day cream, and they've been using it like that for the last 10 years. So there are people that truly, truly love this product and are hooked on it. And I personally really, really like it, and I'm very impressed by it. It does have that La Prairie fragrance that I'm not a fan of, but it by no means deters me away. I can put up with a fragrance that I'm not that big of. I mean, it smells nice. It's just has that perfumey smell that I don't like. However, has given my skin no irritation whatsoever. It definitely has worked to increase my skin's texture and all around softness. Now, also what I love about this cream is if you use just a little more of what I used previously, you can easily, because of the texture being somewhat on the thin side, you can, and it's very easy to move around your face, you can easily bring that down your neck and get, like, I brought it all down my neck just by even patting in the excess, and it covered my whole neck and décolleté area. So keep that in mind. You can use this like very easily from here to here. And I really, really like that. I'm gonna read you what the website says about this product, just so I can kind of keep you guys updated on what its claims are right from the source. But the product details are, it's supposed to neutralize the day's effects with La Prairie's anti-aging night cream. The essential night treatment, it helps prevent premature signs of aging. Your nighttime anti-aging ritual begins with anti-aging rapid response, I don't have that product yet, booster, followed by the anti-aging eye and lip contour cream, and finishes with the anti-aging night cream. That's a pretty short routine, but If the other products are like this, it's definitely effective. And then it does state the benefits of this product are it's supposed to help smooth skin and reduce the appearance of wrinkle depth, helps increase skin's moisturizer, helps to neutralize daily damage. And as I said before, I do like to use it to neutralize my skin and combat from the day's stressors. Again, La Prairie is insanely expensive, but even their cheapest product, if it works like this, I could only imagine what the rest of the lines offer. So I hope you guys enjoy this. If you buy it, if you've already bought it, please let me know in the comments below. Also, please let me know your favorite La Prairie products that you think I have to, above all else, try, because I'm actually pretty curious and I'm a pretty big fan of this brand that I've been trying. That completes my video. If you haven't done so already, please subscribe to my channel. We're always talking about luxury skincare here. Self-care is our top priority, and in my opinion, I don't believe there's a price on self-care, especially when it comes to skincare. I think we should protect our skin and just make it flawless and just love the skin that we're in. Everybody, if you haven't done so, also follow me on Instagram. I'm always posting pictures of products that I have and my skincare routines throughout the week. Everybody, I love you. Until the next time, stay glowing, stay radiant, stay luxe. Bye.